I have the Herb Bible. This would be awesome for pages if you're looking for flowers and that type of stuff for your journals. So let's do a book review. All right. So hashtag JJ book review. Join in if you want. If you have books, show people. People are always looking to try to find the right content for their journals, but you can't ever see what the inside looks like. So let's help everybody out and do a book review. So this is 7 3/4 by almost 10. This is it's a pretty large book. So it's called the Herb Bible. And I saw these pictures here, and as soon as I saw it on the shelf, I grabbed it real quick and thought it would be really, really good. So here is the ISBN number. Okay, so let's take a look at this book. And the date is 1994, so it's not old, but you'll see how the pictures in here are very useful. So in the beginning it talks about, the ancient herbs and things, and there are pictures, there are photography pictures in here. Of course you can still use those as book pages, it's a great way, but what I like is every species has the illustration here and here. So these all can be used for fussy cutting or book pages. Look at that. Here's the chive. So each one has a photograph and then the illustration. So that's what I liked about this book. Look at that. Marshmallow. Isn't that beautiful? So I just thought this book would be wonderful. Look at that. I did not know marigolds were a herb, but this book does have all of those illustrations, which are very useful. Now, this book, I think I got this at a Goodwill, and so I think the hardcover books are $1.49. So for $1.49, look at all this fussy cutting. Look at these beautiful lavender that I can cut out and have fun with. Lemon mint. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that yellow. Evening primrose. Look at all these leaves. So this definitely is an awesome book. Now, like I said, I would have not thought that this would be good, but when I opened it up and I seen, because most of the time it is the photography pictures of newer type books, but when they do have the illustrations like these, I am definitely cutting it out. And then it goes into how to plant them, but there's still some illustrations in here. Down here, these are how you select them, but still, these are still useful book pages. Book pages are never gone to waste. And then it goes into recipes, and these are kind of illustrative pictures here, which would make really nice book pages also to collage with and make pockets and all those good things. See, this is all illustration, it's not a picture. So that is neat. Some of these recipes are actually really good. Good. There's some bath oil stuff. But I do like it that there's like 3 of them here in a row, because this would make a nice belly band in the book, or in your journal. So you just kind of have to think outside the box sometimes. And this book is sewn in signatures. So the whole page can be used. So right here is the thread. And I've showed in many times in my other videos that I use this type of blade. And I just go like this, and that's it. The thread is cut, and you don't damage your book page. So, yes, you can definitely take these out. And this here, I do like this illustration here of like your bathtub, not your bathtub, but your bathroom. What am I gonna call it? So your makeup table, like. So I just had a thought that's why I was thinking if this was one whole page, but this is not, this is 2 pages. This would be kind of neat to cut this out here, go around here, cut this out, and maybe come down through here, and then this would serve as a double pocket in a book, and it would be really scalloped edges and stuff. It would be really cute. But anyways, that was just a thought that I had that popped in. So here's another one. So here, let's check this out. Let's just do some investigating here. Okay, so this page comes right out. So I don't want to ruin it because it's really pretty. Oh, so this is on both sides. Oh, this would work. So this one, because this is on this side, if I fussy cut this out all around here, okay, and do the same thing on this side, and then maybe even go over, depending on how wide your journal is, but this would be a really pretty, I don't know how to explain it without doing it, because I don't want to ruin this, because I'm not sure if that's what I want to do with it, but then this would all be gone, and you would take this and put this in your journal, and you would have a die cut like pocket for a page that you would put onto the page. I'm not sure if I'm explaining that right, but I like these, how these are designed in the middle of the book. So anyways, I like that. Okay, onward we go. But that was just a thought that I had. Oh, see, here's another one. This is on the edge of the inside. You could fussy cut this out and take the whole book page, depending on what's on the other side. And you would, just, this book would be really good. Look at that. I'm loving this book. Ideas are flowing. Inspiration is going. Here's another one. Now this is on the edge of the page. You could fussy cut this out and then put it on a book page, and it would be a really neat pocket with a die cut, type image on it. So yeah, this is definitely a very useful book. Oh, look at this one. Oh, gosh, this might be one of my favorite books. Yeah, look at, it's just tons and tons of these images here. And then, of course, there's a few pages of the usefulness of the herbs. And then your index. And then, the book is just plain green, I believe, underneath the jacket. Yes. So, there we go. That was my find a few days ago, The Herb Bible by Peter McCoy and Pamela Westland. Definitely a keeper. All right, thanks. Bye.